Today, we're drawing Rebecca Rabbit dressed as a carrot. Isn't that adorable? Rebecca loves carrots so much that she decided to become one. Are you ready? Let's go! Rebecca Rabbit's favorite food is carrots. She could eat them for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Rebecca's carrot costume is as large as she is and just like a real carrot. If Rebecca invited you to a costume party, what costume would you wear to match her? That's exciting to see! Look, Rebecca Rabbit has opened her eyes. And she enjoys glancing around. She loves to dress up, especially for fun events like costume parties or plays. If you could dress up as a vegetable, which one would you pick? Maybe broccoli or corn? Both of them will look adorable. Carrots are a rabbit's favorite snack, and Rebecca thinks dressing like one is super funny. Do you think Rebecca would eat a carrot while wearing her costume? Or is that too silly? Amazing! Rebecca Rabbit with her costume is all drawn. Now we're moving on to the fun part, coloring. Take out your markers or crayons and let's get coloring. Rebecca often shares her carrots with her little brother, Richard Rabbit. Would you share your favorite snacks with her? That's very kind of you. She loves playing pretend garden with her friends, acting as a carrot while Peppa pretends to be a farmer. Would you help Rebecca and Peppa in planting carrots in her pretend garden? How many carrots do you think you could grow? That's awesome! Rebecca thinks being a carrot makes her extra bouncy, just like a real bunny. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. Rebecca loves to laugh and joke, and her carrot costume always gets her friends giggling. She says dressing like a carrot makes her feel super cool and a little bit yummy. What color do you think Rebecca's carrot costume should be? Bright orange or a light orange? Bright orange. Do you think Rebecca's costume makes her hop extra high? How high can you hop? What do you think of Rebecca's carrot costume? Isn't it so funny and cute? So nice! Our Rebecca Rabbit looks so cute in her carrot costume. Share your drawing and it will definitely make people smile. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. Until next time.